You have your way, and it's making me weaken. You and your stylus, walking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this. And no one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire. And no one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one does it better. How I try to sleep, but you're deep in my mind. Got a hold of me. When I'm awake, I'm all blind. You and your magic, like infinite power. God knows I try to resist, but you're pulling me closer. Oh, I gotta stay away, but you won't let me. No one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire. And no one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one does it better.
Yeah, we're just halfway through the season. Really like this event. I think it's organized quite well. I like the parade and everything, and the quality is very good in this track. But yeah, I also really like the track's configuration, because it's quite fast, but also you need to drive good, because it's with a lot of corners and quite technical. And yeah, a lot of experience to take from this stage, and to move on to Hungary in 3 weeks and get ready for Nirad, and hopefully it will go much better than the last two stages. But yeah, it's autosport.
Congratulations, and see you in Nirad.
Thank you. See you.